All right, guys. So if you missed out on the market crash, you guys should go review the last 20 videos where we have warned you that the shit was going to fall apart. Some of the top stocks were going to fall apart, like Microsoft and Nvidia and so on, guys. So this is not a video to review those, even though you could glance rapidly and you can go back and review the videos where we told you this was the fucking top in Microsoft at 467, and this was a beautiful trade. You may think, wow, it's not a big of a drop. It's only like, 50 points in Microsoft. 50 points in Microsoft is a fucking lot. Meta, yeah, sure. Well, remember the day where we shorted it right here, guys? Well, shit, almost 100 points lower from where we've called to short Meta. But guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Some other stocks that we told you we're gonna fucking collapse the fuck out. SMCI was one of them. There it is, baby. 660 today at one point. Holy shit. For those of you that kept buying the Nvidia puts, the Nvidia calls on every dip, well, fuck. You probably sold at 106 this morning. In any case, guys, this is not a video to review all of them things that have been dropping like a rock, but more importantly, oh shit, LLY, anybody? Holy whoa, what happened here to Kramer's all-time favorite from 960 to fucking 800? That's a beautiful trade. Guys, I can be talking trade after trade after trade that you missed, okay? But the point is, some of you just coming to realization, well, holy shit, Leo, it's not a bull market anymore, motherfucker. We've been telling you for the last 60 fucking videos it's not a bull market. And so if you pay close attention, okay, you made, I don't know, 20x, 50x, 100x for some guys, but the point is, for those of you that are just finally getting the fucking message, the memo, all right, what do you trade next? So there is one earnings play that I wanted to bring up to your attention, CHTR. There it is. It looks bullish, Leo. That's another bullish. It's a bull. Look at this. That's a beautiful uptrend. Yeah, says a guy who looks at how the stock traded in the last few months. But let's look at the context. If there's anything we teach you about charts when you come to 13 market moves, you got to look at the context. And to understand the context, you got to understand the correlations, the behavioral patterns, what happened in the last few quarters to the stock, and where's it trading now in relation to where it could be trading tomorrow. I'm recording this on July 25th. So what's going to happen to CHTR over the course of next trading day, July 26th, over the course of next trading week that ends on August 2nd? That's what this video is about. So CHTR, guys, currently trades 317, 318. All right, we believe the shit could collapse the fuck out to 200. Whoa, that'd be a 30% collapse in a killer stock like CHTR. Sounds highly, highly improbable, highly unlikely, but yet let's review the charts and the history of it. So, gap down, big gap down during the last earnings report. Why? Well, CHTR is losing its subscribers to who? Well, damn it. Netflix. So Netflix doing pretty good. Had some good and bad trades on Netflix depending on the entries and exits. You either made a killing or you lost some money on Netflix. Overall, despite of a really good earnings report on Netflix, the stock fails to rally. And we believe Netflix is going to collapse the fuck out to a level of 556 over the course of the next 30 days. But what's more important, even Netflix cannot rally on strong numbers. So what do you think a company like CHTR is going to do? CHTR, Charter, is going to do on numbers that are total dog shit. So it's going to report earnings tomorrow. Earnings are going to be dog shit. Okay? Now, there's two possible outcomes, right? It's going to collapse in a crazy kind of way. And what you should know about the history of the chart, once it gaps down on the initial days of day of their earnings, in not so distant history, not only does it drop on the initial day of earnings, but it also drops the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next fucking day. So 5 days lower possible in CHTR. And that's what our target is. We believe that it could easily revisit this level of 240 here, possibly lower. Well, it depends how ugly the numbers are going to be. Well, you should also be aware of this phenomena as a company like ENPH. Total dog shit, right? Reports earnings, one of our favorite shorts, reports earnings, and this goddamn Goldman Sachs just buys the stock on dog shit earnings. Like, it misses on earnings, misses on revenue, and misses on forward-looking guidance. Normally, okay, for a stock like ENPH, California, 3 strikes you're out. But no, this son of a bitch goes higher on a day when the market is collapsing. So you cannot avoid outcomes like this. If it was any other stock, shit would be down 30%. But no, Goldman is fucking buying this crap. So, okay, that's why the stock is up. So there are going to be moments when numbers are going to be so horrible that, you know, if an institutional bank, big fucking bank like Goldman Sachs decide to buy it, all right, it doesn't fucking matter. They're going to lose their ass on this, but they're not losing their ass on this today. Basically, they're betting on the fact that interest rates are going to go down, which based off today's report, GDP report, 2.8% growth in the United States. Really? Car sales are down 50%. Ford is down, crazily. Home sales are down. But yet, the economy has grown 2.8%. You got to be a total, absolute idiot to believe this bullshit report that we've gotten today. Yet temporarily stocks go up higher. So fuck it. What do you do with it? You short it. You don't want to short this. This is going to be, look, ENPH is going to be in a fucking bankruptcy in the next 6 months. And it's going to be trading 90% of where it's trading today. But shorting it right now when some fucking idiotic bank is trying to buy it on total dog shit report, fuck it. Let them take a loss. But the point is, I'm saying there's some crazy shit that's happening in the market like this where people, including Goldman Sachs, they still don't fucking believe that this is a bear market. And they don't believe that this is not the report on which you should be selling the fuck out of this. They believe this is the report. This is the end of all the bad things that's happening to this company. I would argue the opposite. This is just the beginning of all the bad things that is happening to ENPH. And I would argue the same with CHTR, which I believe will collapse tomorrow and next week. And it could be doing the same pattern, which could possibly even take the stock under 200. But the point is, take this analysis with a grain of salt because of what I've just shown you with ENPH, okay? Considering everything we know about the charts, this shit will collapse. But considering some stupidity in the market like ENPH going higher on absolute worst report, on a day when the market is collapsing, hey, if there is going to be an institutional bank, like another fucking Goldman Sachs, that's going to decide to buy this dog shit on the best, on a horrible report, nobody is protected from this. But what I'm telling you, if we're to look at 100 instances, then this setup would get you paid in 90% of instances, and this is why we're shorting the fuck out of CHTR. And if you want to know the strikes, if you want to know the expirations, if you want to know the exact secret recipe of how you can potentially go 20x on this potentially simple trade, unless Goldman Sachs decides to fuck it up for us, then you got to call 13 Market Moves right now, or watch this shit collapse tomorrow, and you're going to be entering when it's going to be doing this, and clearly it's going to be too late for 20x trade. So if you dare to take your account 20x over the course of the next few days, guys, you give us a call right now. Make it happen with 13 Market Moves. Do it like you've never fucking done it before. 13mmtv.com, 13marketmoves.com. Let's fucking roll.